Yo, man, I have to chop something today, na dog. Cause when nothing on go on, bad man. You hang up the people, them I hang up on man, bad man. Cross out all them crosses on you. But I have to. Do as I say, upon you, no boy. That man I tell you, no youth. Boy, alright, no.
Hello.
Yes. Good day, sir.
I hope you're not them damn scammers.
My name is James Bond, sir. Calling you from the Publiance Clearance House, sir. How are you doing today, sir?
Publiance clearance, what?
Are you Mr. James Johnson at 114?
Yes, I'm James Johnson. 114, yes.
Patterson Drive in the city of Milwaukee, state of Wisconsin, area code 11491.
Where are you calling from? It's not Wisconsin, it's Wisconsin.
Yes, sir. That is the information that I'm seeing right here, sir. That is you, sir. You are Mr. James Johnson, right? Okay, sir. Calling you to let you know that you have won $5.5 million, sir. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations to yourself, sir. You should be happy. You have won $5.5 million, sir.
These damn scammers are calling again, honey.
Okay, sir. Now that we know that you are Mr. James Johnson, we're going to bring the $5.5 million, sir. So I already have my guys on the road. They're coming over to you, sir. Okay?
$5.5 million? This sounds like a scam. How do I know that this is not a scam?
No, I can guarantee you, sir. I can guarantee you that this is no scam, sir. All right? I'm looking on my system right now, sir. And I can see your house. It's a white house, sir, right?
Yes, it's a white house. Yes, I have a white picket fence, yes.
And I see the driveway, sir. And I see your green lawn. Yes, I see your green lawn.
No, I have a lawn, but there's no way you could see the lawn. It's the middle of winter, man. It snowed outside. You're a damn scammer. There's no way you could see the lawn.
Sir, I can see the lawn through the snow, sir. I know it's snow, sir. I know it's snowing right now, sir.
You should be seeing snow.
We want to get the money over to you today, sir. That is the important part, sir. It's not the lawn and the snow, sir.
How do I know this is real?
No one is. How do you know this is real? How do you know aliens are real, sir? People don't know if aliens are real, sir. So you just got to take a chance in life, sir. Okay? You got to take a chance in life, sir. All right? How do you know that they went to the moon, sir? Nobody know if they really went to the moon. So you're not going to know everything, sir. So we just want to bring the money over to you, sir. But you have to pay the tax charges, sir. Yes, it's $2,500, sir. $2,500, yes. The tax charge is $2,500.
If I had won some money, bring it to my doorstep, okay? I don't care what you're saying. Bring it to my damn doorstep. If I had won money, bring it to my doorstep. I'm not paying no money for no money. You're a damn scammer. Bring it to my door.